Welcome to 101 Garage. Hope everything is going well. Here's a garage walk / update. I get a lot of comments and PMs for updates on our bikes and what we have going on in the shop. If we have anything new, mostly the ZX7s, we just maintain them, ride them, air pressure, battery chargers, oil changes, all that stuff. Lily here has a new fuel pump, new fuel filter, spark plugs, a new choke cable. We'll do a video, or we did a video on it, and it'll be posting soon. I have to actually figure out how to edit because I did such a crappy job. So we'll get that out soon. A great guy from Connecticut hooked us up on this 93 GSXR 750. The only thing we don't understand is the bodywork is not a 750 bodywork that I'm familiar with. I think it's a 600 bodywork. Either way, I think it's great looking. We're going to clean this up. I think we can get it going. I'm going to do the carbs and the plugs, air filter, oil, and it'll be a runner. Going to ride all these bikes Sunday. Looking forward to that. I have all the batteries charged up. Everything's good. Tire pressures are great. I'm looking forward to that. But we're also going to try to do a video. I need some cameras. I need advice on a good camera for our motorcycle with good mounting. I feel like the mount would be important. But I want to take Prilly out for a ride. I think she's a great looking bike and she'd be a nice video. There's only 200 of Prilly made. If you know anything about these bikes, I'd love to hear about that. We'll need to also start all these bikes, I'm hoping Sunday, maybe Saturday afternoon. But Pepper is a Ducati 749S. You've probably seen a video on her. She's a smooth ride. This is a Tangerine Dream. This is a 600 CBR F4i with 700 miles on it, 06. And then we have an RC8. You've probably seen videos on all these bikes. Cases are green H1. We got a lot of parts in yesterday for her. These are the exhaust gaskets. I needed those really bad. And the belt for the alternator needed that. I need to get the swing arm on at the back of the bike. And then I can start getting the exhaust on, the fans on, and go from there. Casey looks like a mess because honestly, it is a mess. So it won't be for long. Layla is our other H1 in black and gray and silver. I'm not sure which one. Guess it's gray. But her battery was junk, so I have to replace it. I'm waiting for that to come in. This is Christine, as many of you know. It's our 89 GSXR 750, 12,000 miles. I enjoy having this motorcycle more than you'll know. I get someone asking if I'll sell it like every other day. I think you're going to have to pry it from my dead, cold hands. I love this bike. I have a lot of plans for it. I need to find time to get it more dependable. The carburetors leak, so I know I need to tackle that. I want to be honest, I'm better with Kawasaki Ninjas than I am Suzuki GSXR 750s. This is Jenny. We're going to take Jenny out on Monday for like a 50-mile ride, so maybe I can do a video on that. I'm hoping I am. No promises. I need a camera. I actually need a camera mount really bad. Figure that out hopefully soon. And we're taking Evelyn, our yellow ZX7. We're actually taking her down the street today and just to get her warmed up. Nothing more than 5 miles probably, but I'm looking forward to that. And that's kind of it. That's our update, kind of what's going on in the garage. It moves slowly, so I know the videos maybe be a little repetitive because only one person with, tens and 20s of bikes. I don't even know anymore. But we have a lot of bikes to be fixed, and it takes time. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, please. 101 Garage Arizona on YouTube. And at least let us know your comments, what you want to see, and any advice, we'll take it. Just be nice. Be kind. Later. Bye.